Hi there, my name is Randy Evans, a licensed and insured carpenter from central Wisconsin, which I also do a little bit of asphalt seal coating on the side. About 2 years ago I got my business started through Asphalt Kingdom. Prior to start my business I did a lot of research on the internet and found that Asphalt Kingdom is the place to be. Their site was very easy to follow and people were very good to work with, along with very good materials and equipment being used. Let me show you what they helped me get started with over here. Started out with getting the trailer and the seal coat equipment first. Asphalt Kingdom hooked me up with the AK-110 spray system for doing the seal coating, and the AK-10 hot rubber crack filling machine, which applies the hot rubber in the cracks prior to. Pretty much it takes anybody to get us started on a business as such. As long as you follow Asphalt Kingdom's site and use their products, you'll be in good service. Today we're about to do a drive here, and I'm going to show you a couple of the steps on what we do and show you the end results. Alrighty, we're back. The first thing that we are going to do on the drive is actually edge it, which was already done so. We edged both sides of the driveway, and then we power cleaned it and swept it. The second step would be to start the hot rubber crack repair with the AK-10. So if you want to follow me, take a look how this works. As you can see, we started the seal coat process with the spray application. We tarped everything off. We've got a drop cloth up there so that you don't get any debris on the garage door, and we use a divider board, that type of thing. Pretty much just spraying along here. It's kind of self-explanatory, and we'll be finishing up the drive. And here's the job well done. We got some caution tape at the end to keep cars off. Put a little road sign out there for customers to see who has done the drive and get more business. Drive's all done, and here's the equipment that we use to get the nice job done. We got the K10 hot liquid crack filling machine there, and then we got the AK-110 spray unit, and it's really quick to get your job all done with these two machines, and using products and the equipment from Asphalt Kingdom will really make you successful. I've been in success now for the last couple of years and looking to buy even more machinery.